time for another upgrade to the van.
What's our big ticket item? Upgrades, people, upgrades.
As I shared in another video, we acquired a 2020 Winnebago Revel to be able to go out on some adventures. And before we do that, the summer's fast approaching. I need to get a number of upgrades done. Some are complicated, some are more simple. Today we're gonna be going over one of the simple ones. Today we're gonna be installing the insulated vent cover from Canyon Adventure Vans. This comes in a very small box. In that box, you get the cover itself and a nice little carrying case. Different color pull tabs depending on your style of your van. Now, why did I go with this vent cover and why do I want a vent cover? This right here can rattle while you're driving and this will help insulate some of that noise. Obviously, you can lose a lot of heat through this even when the cover is down. So this will help with both 3-season and 4-season camping here in the van. And then finally, I like the idea that this is intended to stay up. So you install it once, you roll it back when you're not using it, but you don't have to take it down, put it away up here in a storage. It just kind of stays up there. And Canyon Adventure Vans were kind enough to already pre-cut all of the Velcro that we're going to use to install this, so this should be pretty simple. Before I put this up and before it becomes a little bit difficult to manage, I'm going to go ahead and change out these zippers. They came with brown. We're going to have a number of red accents on the outside of the van, so that's what we're going to go with. I don't know how to explain it. You're just putting the looped end through and then the tail goes through that loop and you're good. So with your kit, you get some alcohol wipes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe down this surface here. And then the second thing to know is that the logo here goes towards the back. So this is gonna sit like this on this cover. So I think what we're gonna do, just to make this easy, we're just gonna peel the back side of this Velcro off on this back edge. Seems about right. Press. It does overhang here a little bit, so I'm just gonna wrap those edges around. And the reason I took this off was just so I could get some pressure on this to let this set without it hanging. Now we'll do the two sides. Put this back on this back one now that it's set. Use that as our guide. We're just gonna push one side up. Now the other side. Again, if you go like this, you can use the edge as your guide. Hardest part of this is just getting the Velcro started. This is a pretty easy install. Okay, so like I said, very easy. The cool thing about this, as I mentioned in the beginning, is say you want to use the vent fan, you can just roll this up. It's the back here. There you go, you can use your fan. Yeah, and that's sucking air out. Push it back off. All done. Say you're driving, or say you want complete blacked out at night. There you go. Easy peasy. All right, I know that was a short video. I hope you liked it. Let me know what other upgrades you'd like to see to Sadie, our 2020 Winnebago Revel van. If you like this video and you want to see where I started the van series, you can click here. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.